Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing an unboxing on the top of my car. We're actually in a lay-by, halfway from driving home. And that is because I'm on the way home from work late today. I had to go back into work to finish a few bits off. And I had this parcel arrive today. And I believe it is from McDonald Bullion. And that is because I have recently picked up a couple of bits of silver from him via Stacker Social. I haven't got a knife or anything with me, and it is very nicely wrapped in this thick bag. So I'm just going to have to rip it open. Like I said, we're in a country lay-by in the middle of nowhere. You can hear the motorway traffic, but I'm actually down a little lane next to some woods. But here we go, let's get straight into it. I'm going to rip it open. A very strange place to do an unboxing on the roof of my car in the middle of the woods, but makes it a little bit interesting from my normal setup. So we actually picked up 3 pieces. The first one, now I can't remember what this coin is called, but I do know that it's one of the Cider Soundman's favourite coins. And it's actually the first one that I've picked up. So Si, if you're watching today's video, please comment down the name of this coin. I really like the edges of this coin as well. It's got some patterns. Is it some text, is it? Or is it just patterns around the edge? Around the rim, it looks like it's just patterns. But very, very nice looking coin. So that is the first piece of silver that we have. The next one we have is a Britannia, 2018 Britannia, and this, I believe this is a Privy Britannia. So this coin alone was, I think, around about £50, and that is because it is a dog Privy, which means it's got a dog around the rim of the coin, and therefore it holds a premium because it's a lower mintage. I don't know the exact mintage figures without looking it up, but normally Britannias are reeded edges, but this one has a smooth edge with the dog all the way around it, as you can see there. So very, very collectible. As with all Britannias, it's milk spotted, but that's what you expect with coins from the Royal Mint, unfortunately. But yeah, this coin alone contains quite a large premium because it is very, very collectible, and it's the first Privy, I believe, that I have in my collection. I think the pig is the one that's the most common. You get one that's got a pig around the edge, and that's the one you quite often see pop up for sale. But that's the first time I've seen a dog Privy come for sale. And then the last piece we have is a silver Libertad. Now, one of my favourite coins. It's got more of a matte finish in the background, but very, very nice looking coin. This one's got a little bit of toning around it, which adds to the beauty of the coin, in my opinion. Flips like this from top to bottom, and you've got the Mexican coat of arms in the middle, and you've got all the previous Mexican coat of arms around the edges. So very, very nice coin, reeded edge, really, really nice piece of silver. So yeah, this is what £100 worth of silver has brought me today. Let me know in the comments section if you think I've picked up some nice pieces. The lighting is not great today because I'm using the actual phone lighting instead of a proper setup lighting. And we are literally on the roof of my car, like I said, in the middle of nowhere. If I pan around, you can see, you can't see very much at all. And here is the woods. So there we go. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure I take everything off the roof of my car. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of a different video today. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day.